In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your entire school life in ClickUp from setup to daily workflow. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. From the main screen, create a brand new workspace dedicated to school, something like School 2026. Keeping a separate workspace makes it much easier to focus because all your academic work is isolated from personal tasks or side projects. Inside that workspace, create folders for each semester or academic year, such as Semester 1 and Semester 2. Think of folders as big containers that group your classes, so when you need to find a course later, it's exactly where you expect it to be. Within the right folder, create a list for each class you're taking, like mathematics, history, science, and English. Each list becomes the home base for that subject's homework, reading assignments, lecture notes, and reminders, so everything stays in one place. Now start adding tasks with short, descriptive names. Titles like Chapter 3 Problems, Essay Outline, or Read pages 45 to 60 make it easy to scan your day. In the task description, paste any instructions from your teacher and jot down key concepts or questions to review. Keeping titles concise and details inside the description helps you prioritize at a glance without losing context. Set up 3 simple statuses in every class list: to do, in progress, and completed. Use the same trio across all classes so you never wonder what a status means. As you work, drag each task from to do to in progress, then to completed to capture your progress. Add a due date to every task, even the small ones. This builds a reliable picture of what's coming up and lets you plan ahead. Turn on reminders for high impact items like tests or big projects, and schedule them early enough that you can ask questions, revise, or get help before it's crunch time. Switch to board view in any class list to see your tasks as cards in columns for to do, in progress, and completed. Dragging cards across the board gives you a quick visual sense of momentum. Then switch to calendar view to see all tasks with due dates laid out on your schedule. Use this to spot busy weeks, balance your workload across classes, and plan before exams and major deadlines. For group projects, open the relevant class list. Use share or invite to add classmates, assign tasks so responsibilities are clear, and keep communication organized in the comments section with updates, questions, links, and documents. Create ClickUp docs inside your class lists for lecture notes, syllabus details, and group report drafts. Link each doc to the right tasks so notes live right next to the work they support. Make this school workspace your hub. Track every assignment and deadline, plan your study schedule, and organize materials. With everything in one system, you'll stay organized, reduce stress, and feel prepared all term. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.